Late night, I like chasing bags in the late night. You want me to tell you that you all mine? That all these new girls don't feel right. 80 proof talking, now you all mine.
Alright, what's up everybody? So today we're gonna try to, and I say try, to install the Whiteline sway bars for the rear. Let me get all this car set up and everything, and then I'll be back. Alright, so now we got it all here. Just a quick overview of where all this stuff is gonna be going. Alright, so it's hard to see, but sway bar starts over there, leads all the way over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off that, lift it up a tiny bit, take it off, and see where I start off. Shouldn't be too hard. Shouldn't be too hard today. So see what we can do. Alright, so here's almost everything laid out. I will be replacing these, which are the mounts that hold everything together. I won't be replacing, not today. I'll probably do this off camera, but I'll probably later be replacing the links right here, because these are old, as you can tell. So I'll take them off today, reuse them, but next time should be replacing these. For right now, this one, as you can see, it's never been changed factory. Taking that off, and these mounts right here are the mounts that are right up here. So it's this one right here, which isn't as accessible. I gotta take that one off, bolt up there and bolt up there. But over here, it's 1, 2, all three. So it should be easy. So let's see what I can do. Alright. So here we go. Compared one to another. Thickness, you can already see that this one, the Whiteline, is thicker than the OEM. Bushing wise, yeah, looks nice, better. But one thing for sizes wise, the bolts holding the links over here, sorry about that, the links over here, these are 14 millimeters. The ones holding up here, even over here, these are all 12 millimeters. So if you're gonna replace all that stuff, just FYI, that's what the sizes are. And I'm not 100% sure, but I don't think you do have to jack it up. One reason I'm jacking it up is just in case. But I would say jack it up just to get all the weight off of it, get all that stuff, and then when tighten it all up, when it's all weighted down, get all the pressure, get a good, you know, pressure off of it. Other than that, I'm about to put all this stuff back on there. It's not that hard, to be honest. Just loosen everything and be slow. Like this one, probably one more easier things to put on the front sway bars. I'll show you guys later on, or just show the video before this one. I split into a few days, so the front sway bars I'll show you. You should be seeing before this, and it's a bit more difficult. But the back sway bars are pretty easy. So, all right, let's try to get everything back on. Alright, off camera, I put these on tight each side. I don't know if you can kind of see that over there. But now I'm gonna put the sway bar in and see how it all comes out. Alright, I got one side in, or both sides in right there. My camera will just focus. There we are. Got both sides in. I'm about to attach the top part and swing it. First time I had it backwards. This time I got it right. So let's see how everything works out. Alright, had a bit of do work off camera because it was a bit more work than usual. If you are going to get this, I highly recommend you get the linkages. I didn't. At the time I didn't want to. I was like, screw it. Now I just screwed myself, mostly because right here on this end you can kind of see the damage, but it's not gonna line up, mostly because, let me see, you kind of see it right here. This thing is pushing that way and this will stay that way. And with the linkages, I believe they go on the outside right here. I believe they attach on the outside of each one, making it enough space for it to wiggle a little bit more. Same thing on that side, but I got it to fit. Whew, pain in the butt though. And I don't know yet, but I might have to adjust my coilovers to fit it, because I feel like it pushed up my wheels, because they were close to the ground, if you do remember. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Alright, so I put everything down already. Almost hit it. Mine automatically just pops out like that. I'm going to probably camber it. Reason being, I don't know who else has this issue. You see right here, it hits whenever it bounces or hits a bump, hits. So I had to camber it a little bit to push it in. I don't like to camber my cars, but forcibly, more so on this side. We can kind of see where the issue lies. Look at that. See, I gotta camber this side a little bit, and the other side. Front end looks a little better. Yes, my fender is pushed out. I don't know. I know the Evos have a certain kit for it. So for Subarus, you got to put a little bit extra. I'll try to show you. Where is it? There it is. I did it a bit differently. I put a bolt and then a nut, stuffed it in there and pushed it out a bit. Give it kind of a wider fender. I personally like it. If you don't like it, yeah, man, it's not your car. But both sides are like that. Other than that, I'm gonna go for a test drive right quick, see how it feels. Hopefully it's, because I had my issue where it kind of leaned a little bit on the turn. Hopefully it just stabilizes it a bit more, but we'll find out in a bit. Alright, so from driving it, my last part felt pretty good. Felt more stabilized. Like when I'm saying it, my turns before, I would feel like a little drip. Not much of a difference, but helped a little bit. Didn't feel as much. So, but hopefully this week I'm taking it to work again, and I'll see how everything works out. Alright, so catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.